High above the world, in a swirling sky kingdom, lived a fluffy little cloud named Nimbus. Unlike his puffy, lazy brothers, Nimbus was bursting with curiosity. He longed to explore beyond the edges of the sky and taste the adventures that whispered on the wind. One sunny morning, as the sun stretched its golden fingers across the land, Nimbus spotted a colourful spectacle in the distance, a magnificent rainbow bridge arcing across the sky. "What is that?" He gasped, his cotton wisps trembling with excitement. "It's the Rainbow Race," chirped a wise old skylark, feathers sparkling in the sun. "Once a year, the swiftest clouds race across that bridge, leaving a trail of colours behind." Nimbus's heart soared. He yearned to join the race, to fly through the rainbow and paint the world with his own colourful trail. But doubt tickled him like a raindrop. "A little cloud like me, against mighty storm clouds and fluffy giants," he mumbled. The skylark winked. "Size doesn't matter, little one," she said. "It's about the courage to try and the joy of the journey." Fueled by determination, Nimbus puffed himself up as round as a balloon and launched himself towards the Rainbow Bridge. The race had begun. He weaved between giant thunderclouds, dodging raindrops like playful marbles. He squeezed through fluffy cumulus giants, giggling as they tickled his wisps. The wind whipped past, and Nimbus felt his tiny form wobble. He thought of turning back, but then he remembered the skylark's words. He focused on the vibrant colours ahead, not the scary storms behind. With a final burst of energy, Nimbus crossed the finish line, not first, but with a smile wider than the sun. His trail may have been a delicate pastel compared to the bold streaks of the other clouds, but it shimmered with a unique joy. As the rainbow faded, the other clouds gathered around Nimbus, their rumbling voices filled with respect. "You showed us that even the smallest cloud can paint the sky with its own story." From that day on, Nimbus continued his curious adventures, leaving behind trails of playful colours and inspiring other little clouds to chase their own rainbows. He learned that bravery wasn't about winning, but about facing your fears and painting your own path in the sky. Outro. Remember, even the smallest of us can create something beautiful. So, dream big, chase your rainbows, and paint your own unique story on the canvas of life. I hope you enjoyed this adventure too. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more stories that soar across the imagination. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you'd like another story in a different style or with a different theme. I'm happy to create something magical for your viewers.